Okay, so this is my first attempt at doing a flip through kind of showing of a photo book for my personal collection. I've started to kind of collect photo books or any type of artistic type book, whether it's on photography or painting or anything like that. Mainly for my personal use, I want to be able to go back and kind of look at the book later if I decided to sell the book for any reason. I still want to be able to look at each page and not just do a Google image search and see 5 or 6 images from the book. I want to see every page, and so I thought I would share the book. It's mainly for my personal use, but if someone was interested in an artist or a painter or photographer, and I have a copy of the book, the flip through would kind of be something for them to use. So I'll go ahead and apologize in advance. I'm doing everything outside, so you'll be able to hear my dogs barking, my neighbors yelling at their kids, and the wind blowing and stuff like that. But the lighting was a lot better outside than inside, so I figure I'd just do it outside. Anyway, so to start off with, this is Wisdom of the Furnace. It's a first edition book by Thrasher. Basically, he's all over the place with stuff. He's a botanist or a chemist. I'm not sure exactly what you would classify him as. He does do chemical compounds for plants, and he cross-pollinates plants too, real exotic plants. And he sells those on his website. I think it's tylerthrasher.com. It's in the book if you wanted to zoom in on the credits and stuff. But anyway, a real interesting guy. He did photography as well, and paintings, stuff like that. I believe he did paintings on the website. He had some of those. And one of his artistic projects was to do chemical compounds on insects and different like plants and animals and stuff like that. And this book basically showcases the whole process of kind of the end result of what the crystallization on the insects look like. And he would sell, I think he would, I don't own any personally, they were kind of pricey, but it looks like he sold a lot according to the website. A lot of them were just 1 or 2 individual insects that were crystallized and then put in a specialized frame, and that sold. And he also sells, I think on the website, last time I checked, he still had little small plants that he had cross-pollinated. And I thought that was really cool. You know, somebody's doing something like that. Real interesting person. I've never met him, but a story about this book. Okay, to start out with, I was living on the Mississippi coast. I went to a book sale, and I picked this up for $1 actually at a book sale, and I sold it, pretty good profit, and turned around. I said, I wish I'd kept it. It was just really interesting. I wanted to keep the book. So later on in life, I think a year and a half, 2 years went by, and I said, I'm going to go back and I'm going to search. I finally found a copy of the book. And this one's autographed. So I didn't necessarily need it autographed. I just wanted to keep it. But that increases the value. So I buy and sell books on the side. And so this is actually a personal collection, but who knows, in 10 or 15 years, I may decide to sell the book. But for now, it's not for sale. I just wanted to share the book with the world, as well as to have a video to be able to go back and look at. So that's the